our magnetic field Hall detection sensor known as Hall effect sensor module. You can see by default it's normal and the value is 1023. Now I bring the magnet near. See, magnetic field detected. If I move it away, normal, bring it near, detected. Away, normal, bring it near, magnetic field detected. See, it is detecting the magnetic field whenever I bring the magnet near to the Hall effect sensor. See, so that's how you detect the magnetic field using this sensor. Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video we will be detecting magnetic field using a Hall effect sensor with an Arduino Uno. So let's get started. So guys, this is our Hall effect sensor. Sorry for the rough pictures, but that is how it looks like, and it is very cheap and easily available in the market. I'm going to use this module, not the sensor alone. So this is our Arduino Uno. This is the Hall effect sensor module. It has 4 pins. If you hold it like this, when the IC is on the left, the rightmost pin is a 5 volt, then ground, then data pin out D0, then the analog pin out. There is a good thing that it allows you both analog output and the digital output. So let's do the connections. Connect the 5 volt pin with the 5 volt pin of your Arduino Uno, ground to the ground. Now for the data pin out, you can use it with any available GPIO pin, but I'm not going to use it because analog out is a better option. If your microcontroller supports the ADC pins, then go with this, you will have more options. So I will go with the analog out pin only. So I will connect it to any available ADC pin. I will use a pin number A0. So that is our simple connection. So let me introduce you to the hardware, then we move on to the programming. So guys, there is our Arduino Uno. So this is the Hall effect sensor module. Wiring is as shown in the presentation. So this is the same. So this is our simple hardware. So let's go to the Arduino IDE. This is the Arduino IDE. Let me zoom in so you guys can see better. Okay. Here you go. Let me zoom in, click on, go to the left, file, click on new sketch. Wait, this window pops up. Close this previous sketch, zoom in, click on file and click on save to save your work. I write here any name, magnetic field detection tutorial. You may write any name that you prefer. Now wait for the new window to pop up. Here you go. Now guys, first of all what I do is that I will be using the serial monitor for displaying the output. So I initialize the serial port, write this command serial.begin, write the baud rate, whatever it is, 9600, like this. Now guys, since we have an ADC pin, the good thing is in Arduino you do not have to initialize the ADC pin, they are automatically initialized. Now we need a variable which will store the value coming from the ADC pin. So I take a variable, an integer, or we can also take a float, whatever you prefer. I take an integer and I write a value like integer. What should be the value, or what should be the name? I write like magnet, okay, is equal to magnetic field is equal to analog read from A0. So this is the syntax, like analog read. This is the variable which will store the value coming from the sensor pin ADC channel, and the channel we are using A0. So if you use the pin A1, then you simply replace this with the A1. If you use the A2, just make it A2 and whatever. Okay, let's go down. Now I write if this magnet is less than 100. Now this is the beauty of using the ADC pin over the digital input output. In digital input output, either there is magnetic field or there is no magnetic field. While here you can adjust the sensitivity. By default, the analog pin is at maximum like 5 volt, and it will be like 1023 or something high. So in case magnetic field is detected, this value will drop. So now you can set the sensitivity, like whatever the primary value, like it is at 500, 600, we will see is, then once it's dropped, then we know that we have set a threshold. So my threshold is 100, just estimatedly. So if magnetic field is less than 100, then what it should do? It should display serial.println that magnetic field detected. So this is it. Now else I write normal, else it's normal, no magnetic field. Okay, I verify okay, we also display the value here. Okay, whatever the value of the magnet is, we will constantly display. So I write here serial dot print ln display whatever the value of magnet is with every line. So we will also know what is the value of the magnetic field once it's detected or once it's not detected. So I click on verify first. Let's check. Okay, it's perfect. I click on upload. Okay, my Arduino is disconnected. Let me connect it. Okay, here you go, it's connected. Now I click on upload. Done uploading. Okay, let's open the serial terminal. Go to tools, open the serial monitor. Okay, it's normal and the value is 1023. You can see that it's high by default. See, 1023, it's normal. Now let me bring in a magnet. So let me show you the hardware as well. So I place these side by side so you can see both. Here you go. Now I zoom in. Okay, let's do something else, like I bring it here. No, something is wrong. Okay, let's bring it here. Okay, here it is better. Here I bring the sensors to the left and it will be fine. So let's bring in the magnet. So these are the magnets I have in my hand, these normal magnets. Okay, let me zoom in and let's bring the sensor here so you guys can see. Okay, this is the sensor. I bring the magnet. See, once I touch it with the magnet, bring the magnet near, it says magnetic field detected. I move the magnet away, it is not detected. See, magnet comes near, the magnetic field is detected. If it moves away, normal. See, detected, normal, detected, normal, detected. See, the values dropped, normal, detected, normal, detected. So you do not have to even touch it, it just have to be brought near as normal. See, detected, normal. So guys, this is how it's gonna work. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any question, you may ask. We'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye until then.